Come here, everybody. We need to have a meeting. Family meeting, okay? Somebody keeps shitting on the litter box. What up, everybody? Welcome back to Pro Publications YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about zines and DIY publishing. And I have been waiting because I got a note from FedEx saying that my package should be delivered today. And I'm right here just looking out the window, waiting for the FedEx truck to show up. Damn, there it is. Well, what the hell? You sent me another battery charger? Came with a battery. It doesn't always come with a battery. That's pretty cool. It's on. No SD card, that's not a problem. Boom, and that's a Canon battery. Those are way better. These right here, these off-brand ones I have, they don't last as long. So that means I would have 2 Canon batteries. That's a hit. No SD card. Not a problem. Got my SD card stuff in here. So I just need one. I don't need... Boom. Just like that, I am back in the game. Go ahead and get a lens in this sucker real quick. You know you gotta function with that nifty 50, y'all. Where's the ISO at? So my setup is almost done. The only thing I need to do now is get a Rode mic. A short while later. So here we have it, you guys. This is what it's gonna look like. And the reason why I got this Rode mic is because this one doesn't need a battery, and it's the best version that doesn't need a battery. So like that, and then just the light maybe right here. Looks pretty big and chunky, huh? So this is what it's gonna look like, you guys. That's gonna be my rig from this point forward. This will obviously be for, you know, stationary shots that I can do in certain spots, and when I'm out and about doing what I gotta do, I will still be using my phone. But that's it, you guys. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching me and joining me as I got my new camera, got a new Rode mic, and then just set it up. And so that's it, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and help me keep building this thing up. We are definitely building this up, and I appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Lates.